FutureAnalytica is an automated machine learning platform that offers comprehensive no-code AI solutions. The platform helps to understand data and solve business problems by finding the best predictive models for your data in clicks. Our high-end definition and easy-to-use interface allow business manager, data scientists, analysts, and developers to quickly build highly accurate predictive models using the world-class practices by the expert data scientists for every model they build. Instead of guessing which model will work best for your data, our parallel processing automatically compares the model and chooses the best model for your data sets. Models are described with great clarity and efficiency. FutureAnalytica uses latest techniques to extract deep and relevant insights from your data. Not only you can build the model easily, but also deploy the model in minutes with our one-line API generated with click of a button. The models yield intelligence through the highly interactive exploratory data analysis (EDA) capability. The platform offers to create different visualizations which are highly powerful and interactive, giving accurate insight with predictive and text analytics. Our advanced AI cloud platform provides solutions for a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, banking, financial, retail, telecom, and others. FutureAnalytica is a comprehensive no-code AI platform for fast, accurate, and powerful data analytics. We are more than a platform. We are your trusted AI partner in your journey. So, let's take the next step together. Reach out to us for free demo. Get connected.